लेट हो 100 लोग
Old school.
Represent. MFA represent.
Rohit start कर.
जो मेरे साथ नहीं वो मेरे खास नहीं, मेरा फ्लो मेरे बाज हैं के पास नहीं, इस रैप गेम में आया अभी कानून पर इंसाफ नहीं, वर्दी पहनी है पर दिल साफ नहीं, हाथ में लहे मैं वो बात नहीं, ये इंसान छोड़ो इनकी जात नहीं, मैं आया इनकी वाट नहीं, मेरा नाम है रोहित, रात 2 घंटा फर्क पड़ता है मुझको बातों में नहीं, दम दे दे बहुत हार्ड.
That feel good.
So guys, today is the day we are up early, out and about, going to our city mall. National Championship day today. Everyone's pretty excited. So I'll see you guys directly at our city mall now.
Never mess with not South Indians.
It's because of this guy. It's because of this guy. काला जादू गिरा दिया मेरा कैमरा. अभी तू देख बैटल में आ जा. फ्लाइट नंबर A1380 अभी लैंड हो रही है. कैसा?
Let me meet.
So bro, long time. How are you?
What's happening?
How was UK?
Thing okay. Harish has a message for CD. What is it? CD. So I'm like थोड़ा लेट हो गया है. अगर थोड़ा सा जल्दी आ
2 दिन.
तो टॉप 5 गणपतिज और मुंबई भी मिल जाता.
मैं दादर का विसर्जन देखा भाई.
How are you?
I'm good, man. Why did I even say that? How are you, bro? All good? So many people from Chennai this time. So तुम कैसे मतलब?
क्या बोल लेके आ रहा है? मोंटा ले गया है.
All the way from Dehradun, Pankaj. So he's gonna be a national champion, and he's one of the best in the world for me. पाना वाली पब्लिक इज हियर. अगले भाई एक नंबर. अभी मजा आएगा. अभी खेलेंगे. So what's up guys, I'm just done with my first round. I got 4 points from all the judges, so yeah, that's the total 12, so that's the highest I got in my group. So I am through to the next round in the top 32. Then now the top 16 battles are going to happen really soon. So yeah, I hope I'll perform really well. I'm not recording all the battles. I'll record the top 16 battles for sure, even if I'm there or not in it. And I'm meeting a couple of people over here, and everyone's coming and wishing me luck. So thank you so much. Thanks for the support. It means a lot to me. Siddhe also made it through to the top 32. Rishi made it to the top 32. Nitish made it. So the full Pune team is in the top 32, and it feels really good. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. In the top 32 battles, didn't make it to top 16. I know all the reasons that I'll give are shitty because it's my mistake. I dropped the ball so many times. I could have won. I need to train harder. So next year I'm gonna come back really harder and stronger because I'm gonna train consistently now. Thanks for the support, guys. It really means a lot. But yeah, it's time to train harder. So guys, street union is officially done. We are done with the competition. On our way to have dinner, and then later tomorrow I'm heading back to Pune because I have another event in the evening. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So there are going to be a couple of videos, one after movie, one full vlog, and a couple of battle clips as well. So thanks guys for supporting, and thank you so much. It really means a lot. Please share this video with everyone.